Hey, welcome back to Simply NUC. I'm Sean, your Senior Support Technician. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your wireless antennas internally on our OPS module. We are going to start by first, we're going to remove the two backplate screws. All right, now that we have the inside exposed, we are going to remove the fan housing, which is, now this is the be careful part, it connected via thermal paste to the actual element. So when I remove these three screws here holding the housing down, it is going to pull the element up with it. I'm going to go ahead and remove those. Now before we lift up, we can remove the fan connector from the header here. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. It just makes it easier. Now that we have all three screws removed and we have the fan disconnected from the header on the board, we are going to pull slightly up and we are going to push back towards the I/O. This will pull the fan housing, and the element out. You will be able to expose the wireless card here and the connections. You'll take your wireless connection here and we are going to connect it here. Now there are tools that help connecting wireless connections a little bit easier. I find that just using my nails is pretty good too. So it doesn't matter which orientation you put these in. You just connect them on. All right. So now that I have both connections connected, we are going to flip this back around. And we are going at a slight angle, come in and slide it back into its slot. The fan back in place, we can go ahead and put our screws back in. And we are going to reconnect our fan to the header here. All right. Fan is reconnected. We have all three of our screws in. We're going to go ahead and put the plate back on. I'm going to come in at a slight angle and put it in the slots and just drop it right back down. I'm going to flip it up and we are going to put the two chassis screws back in. And that's how you attach the antennas internally on the OPS module. Thank you again for choosing Simply NUC.